You may have heard the urban legend about Mikey from the Life cereal commercials. You know, the one where he mixed Pop Rocks and soda and he exploded? Well, don't worry, it's just a myth. Mikey is very much alive. But what would happen if you mixed Pop Rocks and soda? Would there be a buildup of gas in your stomach? This is your body on eating nothing but Pop Rocks for a week. Pop Rocks are small pieces of hard candy that contain pockets of carbon dioxide. When they come in contact with moisture, like the saliva in your mouth, the candy dissolves and explodes as it releases the CO2. This fizzy tingling sensation is why Pop Rocks were such a huge success with kids when they first hit the market in the 1970s. But could this chemical reaction make them potentially dangerous? We'll find out by having you consume nothing but Pop Rocks and soda for a week.
So poppy.
Talk about a fizzy feast. Now, this is purely for science, so please don't try this at home. Day 1. The first day of eating only Pop Rocks might be fun. After all, Pop Rocks are fun.
The Pop Rocks will make you pop.
The popping and cracking create a pleasant tickling feeling in your mouth. There are a variety of different flavors, so you won't be bored, at least not at first. No matter what flavor you choose, Pop Rocks are fizzy and taste sour. This is because your sour tasting receptors detect carbonization. Okay, now the big test. You follow the Pop Rocks with a soda chaser. Nope, all good. You didn't explode. Day 3. Boy, are you ever hungry. The average person eats about 2,000 calories a day. An 8.5 gram bag of Pop Rocks has about 34 calories and is almost entirely sugar. So you would have to eat 59 packets to get your daily calories. That would be 472 grams of sugar each day. You might be getting bursts of energy, but it comes without any protein, fiber, or fat. And it will cause your blood sugar and insulin levels to spike. Yeah, you'll have significant energy level fluctuations throughout the week. Day 5. Well, your stomach hasn't exploded from all that carbon dioxide, but your butt certainly has. You've been farting and burping all week long. It's not just the Pop Rocks that are filling your stomach with carbon dioxide, it's the soda as well. After all, a can of soda has more than double the amount of carbonation of a package of Pop Rocks. Yeah, you're not feeling so good. The lack of nutrients and the amount of sugar has left you feeling disgusting. You may have enjoyed the taste of Pop Rocks when you started, but you don't now. Eating so many of them tastes awful.
Awful, 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 awful.
Competitive eater Matt Stoney once decided to eat 350 packets of Pop Rocks in one sitting. After 30 minutes, he gave up. More than half of the Pop Rocks were left. Yeah, it was a nasty experience for him. They started to taste horrible and he had to stop. You are not eating that many Pop Rocks all at once, but the lack of any other food is making them taste bad to you too. Day 7. Man, do you ever feel awful? Oh, excuse me. Your skin doesn't look that good either. Diets high in sugar increase androgen secretion, oil production, and inflammation, all of which can lead to acne. And you are definitely proof of that. And you are so hungry. Eating more Pop Rocks hasn't helped your hunger, it's only increased the buildup of gas in your stomach. Yeah, it feels empty and full at the same time. You can't wait to bite into some protein. And when you do, it doesn't matter what it is. It'll seem like the best meal you've ever had.
It tastes so good.
My stomach doesn't feel so good. Okay, now that you've survived eating only Pop Rocks for a week, let's find out what would happen if you ate only McDonald's for a year. We'll devour that one on another episode of Your Body On.